So my dear Jack fans, welcome back to the YouTube channel. And now there has been rumors spreading that Sha'carri Richardson might definitely be in love with the Jamaican sprinter. In case you don't know who this guy is, he is known as Akeem Blake. So recently we spotted a picture on Facebook whereby Sha'carri Richardson and this guy Akeem Blake were snapping together, and there are a lot of controversies concerning who Sha'carri's have feelings for, because I've heard a lot of people saying that Shaccarri is not addicted, or let me say attracted to falling in love with men. Rather, she is attracted to the other side of the she's attracted to the other side, like the female. She loves to fall in love with the females. And when I went on a deep research, well, I find out that they might be right, because I came to find out that her former girlfriend is Janet Brown, also from Jamaica. So the possibility of Sha'carri attracted to girls can actually be true, based on my research, that I found out that her former the former person she fell in love was from Jamaica by the name Janet Brown. So people that are spreading rumors that Sha'carri might be a lesbian, it could actually be true. Let me know what you think.